It's 9 o'clock on Sunday morning, October 29th. We've just left our hotel. We're staying at the Jazz in the City on Windmühlgasse. I'll tell you more about the hotel in a separate video, but plot spoiler, it was ace. A few doors along from the hotel is this alleyway leading up to Mariahilfer Strasse.
Doing a pilgrimage. We're going to the church. It's like a cut through.
Yeah. So we arrived here late last night. It must have been about 1:30 when we got here. We arrived at Mariahilfer Strasse and then walked up there to our hotel. So today, after a big breakfast, we're ready to march or die. I think that's a museum. So we're away to the National Library.
That's the museum quarter.
Museum. We're in the museum quarter. So I think we're heading that way to the library, and it was all planned out in my little pop-up map, which is sitting safely back in Newton Hill, because I forgot to pack the thing. Duh. Oh, you want to try the bikes? Eh?
No.
Let's try the bikes. What's the worst that could happen? No. That'd be a good video.
Sorry. I got along.
Now here we go, we're on holiday and first stop is a library.
Why does it make me cry?
we've just had a wander around the National Library of Vienna. I don't think the video is going to show the scale of it. It's absolutely stunning. The ceiling, the painting on the ceiling, I think is equally as good as the Sistine Chapel we went to a few years ago. But I'm hoping the videos kind of show the scale. Carol got a wee bit emotional, but God knows why. Her books. So that was our only stop for today, or only planned stop for the day, so I don't know where we're going now. So we've just left the library, come through a little wee courtyard, and then you come into this beautiful square. It's absolutely stunning. Wow. Is that a party going on there? What we've done is we've come for a walk today. Tomorrow we've booked a bus to go to Bratislava for the day. One of these Regio Jet buses. It's only an hour and a half away. Apparently Vienna and Bratislava are the two closest capital cities in the world? Or Europe anyway. So we're going to nip across there and get a fridge magnet. And us being us, we didn't like anything to chance, so we came out on a Sunday to try and find the bus station, and it's just as well we did, because it's not where we originally thought it is. There's an international station and there's a regional station. So this is the international, but it's just at the other side of the regional station. So plan is we're going away now to go back. We're going to take the tram, the underground, going back, work our way back to see where our hotel is, because our bus leaves tomorrow morning at 8:50. Now, hold on, let's try this right now. Yeah. And if you want to see a video of us going to Bratislava, click here. That can well work, but no.